expensive dishwash liquids when you can make a powerful grease-cutting formula at home at a very low cost. Today I'll show you how to make a thick, professional-quality dishwash liquid step by step using simple ingredients. This formula gives excellent cleaning, rich foam, and long-lasting results, perfect for home use or even a small business. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share natural remedies, beauty tips, and useful DIY formulas to make your daily life easier and more affordable. So if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more amazing videos. So let's start making our dishwash liquid. First, take a wide plastic container. Add 249 grams sulfonic acid, and then add 249 grams shampoo base. Mix both ingredients properly using a plastic or wooden spatula. Never use metal utensils because sulfonic acid can damage them. Now add 3 kilograms water into the container and mix everything very well. If your shampoo base is hard, you can use a little hot water to help melt it easily. Or, after mixing, leave the mixture for 12 hours so all ingredients dissolve completely and the texture becomes smooth and professional. Now, in a separate glass bowl, take 45 grams caustic soda flakes and slowly add them into 105 grams water to prepare a 30% caustic lye solution. Always wear gloves and work carefully because this solution becomes very hot and can irritate the skin. Use a glass bowl for making caustic lye. Always add caustic soda into water slowly. Never pour water over caustic soda. Leave this solution for 1 hour until it cools down completely. After 1 hour, slowly add the caustic lye solution into the main mixture while stirring continuously. Mix it very well so the formula becomes balanced and smooth. Now check the pH level of the dishwash liquid using a pH meter or pH strips. Initially, my dishwash liquid pH was around 11, which was too high. To balance the pH, first take 3 grams citric acid in a separate bowl and add a small amount of water to make a smooth citric acid solution. Mix it well until the citric acid completely dissolves. Now slowly pour this citric acid solution into the dishwash liquid while stirring continuously. After mixing properly, check the pH again. My pH was still slightly high, so I repeated the same process with 4 more grams citric acid dissolved in water. After adding a total of 7 grams citric acid, the pH came down to around 7, which is a good and balanced range for dishwash liquid. If the pH is too high, you can lower and balance it by adding a small amount of citric acid slowly. If the pH becomes too low, you can increase it by adding a little caustic lye solution. Next, add 35 grams simple salt, or sodium chloride, for thickening. Do not use iodized salt. To ensure smooth thickening without lumps, first take a small amount of prepared dishwash liquid from the main container into a separate bowl. Add the salt into this portion and mix it well until it completely dissolves. Once the salt is fully dissolved and becomes a smooth mixture, slowly pour it back into the main batch while stirring continuously. Keep mixing gently until you achieve the desired thick and consistent texture. At this stage, you can add your favorite color and fragrance to give your dishwash liquid a professional and attractive finish. Finally, add 6 to 7 grams sodium benzoate as a preservative to improve shelf life and keep the product fresh for longer. Now leave the dishwash liquid for a few hours so all bubbles can settle down completely. And that's it. Your budget-friendly, thick, and powerful dishwash liquid is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.